You'll start. You need these.
Alright, here's part 2. It's pretty short. I got the dash out, obviously. Here it is. I'm definitely going to need a new one of these plates. If you have one, let me know. One thing I learned is don't pull the wiring from the back of the gauges, because I didn't need to. I was going to leave the wiring harness in the car, but I ended up taking it all out. So anyway, that's the general. Woo -woo. Right now I'm putting a little bit of mud on some imperfections, and then we'll start with epoxy primer. That'll be cool, huh? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.